Hi, Hunter. I don't understand why do you ignore me, but it's not nice, you know? It's not nice to ignore people. I'm joking, whatever.
Tell her please don't text me no more cause I don't wanna talk to her. Make it easier for me and just walk away. And I know that they think that I switched up, I don't wanna talk to her. But I'm making it better for us at the end of the day. Baby please just take the easy route and not the hard one. She say okay, then I say okay. She tried to bend on some kicks, to just go and play. I'm the top floor boss and this bitch know I didn't come to play. Yeah, I took a couple of flights in less than a day. Yeah, your bitch wanna come be my way, but I told her she can't. Yeah, your bitch wanna take me outside, but I told her she can't. Yeah, and if I'm being real honest, I don't got no patience. Yeah, bitch, I'm being real honest. I don't like waiting.
Understand, right, that a spiritual awakening, it's gonna call you to heal a lot of things. Like if you had, dysfunction in your childhood, generational trauma that's passed down, right, inherited beliefs, you going through a spiritual awakening, right, or you going through an awakening process is going to help you heal from a lot of that stuff, right, and transform past that. Okay, so how I always look at it is I needed to create the eye of the storm for myself.